Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to excel academically as a new immigrant in the U.S. First, it's important to understand the school system. Public education is free for all children, regardless of immigration status, and typically spans 12 years. Most schools offer English as a second language, or ESL, programs to help students learn English. The school year usually begins in August or September and concludes in May or June. Familiarize yourself with the school's layout and how to communicate with teachers and staff effectively. To achieve academic excellence, actively engage with available resources. Many schools offer after-school programs and homework help sessions that can significantly boost your understanding. Aim for strong grades and a solid grade point average, as these are crucial for future opportunities. If you feel ready, explore advanced courses like advanced placement classes. Remember, schools are mandated to provide English language development services, so utilize these supports fully to enhance your learning and comprehension. Building a strong support network is key. Embrace both your cultural heritage and new American traditions. This dual perspective can be a great strength. Get involved in school activities like sports or clubs to make friends and feel more connected. Open communication with your teachers and school staff is vital for addressing any concerns. Encourage family involvement, as studies show it positively impacts academic performance. Also, seek out community groups that share your background for additional support and a sense of belonging. For long-term success, prioritize your overall well-being. The transition can be stressful, so communicate openly with your family about your feelings. If challenges become overwhelming, do not hesitate to seek professional support from school counselors or therapists. For future education, begin researching college entrance requirements and financial aid options early. Many scholarships are available specifically for immigrant students, including those with deferred action for childhood arrival status, offering significant financial assistance for higher education.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.